Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A75, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to swipe down from the top of the screen, which will bring down your toggles, and then swipe down once more to extend the list of visible toggles. Locate Do Not Disturb mode. Oops. Let's try that again without this. So it looks like Do Not Disturb mode is not added by default, unless I'm just being absolutely blind and I'm not seeing it. So we're gonna click right here on this pencil, swipe down, and there is our Do Not Disturb mode. So you wanna hold this toggle here at least, drag it above the text that is right over here. When you drop on it, or drop it, it automatically gets added. So we're gonna go back, go back, there we go. And you can see it's now added to our list. From here, you can hold it again, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function. I recommend going over this at least once, seeing how it's set by default, customize it, and then you can close this. Now find the toggle once more. This time around, just simply tap on it to enable it. And once you're done using it, you can tap on the toggle once more to quickly turn it off. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.